Hi boys and girls, for today's problem set, you guys will be looking at this lovely looking box here. And it says, for number 1, you're going to use red to color boxes with 0 as an addend. Remember this word addend. An addend is one of the numbers that you're adding together. An addend is you're adding it together. And then you're going to find the total for each. So see the example? It's 6 plus 1, and they put the total down here. So you're going to use red to color the boxes with 0 as an addend. So right here, 1 plus 0, there's 0 as an addend. So I'm going to put my answer right here, 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. And I'm going to color this box red. So all the boxes that have 0 as an addend, them red. Don't forget to put your answer below. Pause and do all of the ones with addends of 0. Now, use orange to color boxes with 1. An addend is, so like this one here has 1 as an addend. So you're going to color this yellow, or I'm sorry, orange, and then make sure you put the answer. And all the boxes that have 1 as an addend, you're going to color orange. Pause and do that. It looks to me that you're going to be coloring some boxes 2 colors. Number 3, use yellow to color boxes with 2 as an addend, and then find the total. So anything that has 2 as an addend, you're going to color it yellow. Again, solve the problem. Here's 2 as an addend. I'm going to solve it. I'm going to color it yellow. Pause and do that. All the ones with 2 as an addend, you're going to color yellow. Number 4, use green to color boxes with 3 as an addend. Find the total for each. So here's 3. It's an addend. I'm going to find the total, and I'm going to color it green. And then pause and do that. And then 5, use blue to color the boxes that are left. So anything you didn't color yet, color those boxes blue. But first, find the total. So like this one, you probably didn't color yet. So you're going to find the total, and you're going to color the box blue. Good luck. Listen to this again if you need to hear the directions. That was a little tricky.